Today I have with me Dr. Anisha Ramanathan. She's from Davao School Medical Foundation, cleared FMG exam in June 2021 with 161 marks.
Hi, sir.
Congratulations to
Thank you,
you and
sir.
to your family.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations to you also. Because of you only, it made me possible. It was
Thank
possible.
you for sharing your praise, and but then as I say that it's always your hard work, your dedication, because we understand we are not able to interact face to face, so we are only coming to you via an online medium, but still your dedication of persisting with it,
Yes, sir.
it really hats off.
Thank you,
So
sir.
you were in the online batch,
Yeah,
and I mean, how was your experience?
it was really good, sir. Starting, I felt very, it was scary because people were telling all sorts of rumors. But then I just literally followed your advice, all faculty's advice, the Deepa mom's advice, like finish your portions on that day itself, don't carry it out. And literally all faculties were helpful. Amit sir's 9 o'clock MCQs in Telegram group, all those were helpful. Whenever I feel low, I listen to one of your motivational voice messages or Rajiv sir's advices, Deepa mam's advices. I'll just literally follow your faculty's advices and did it. I didn't come out with any new idea and I didn't do any sort of, I didn't go out of my way. I didn't make myself low. I just followed your advices and I did it.
Okay.
That's all.
So again, the crux of the matter is that she trusted the source. As
Yeah.
whatever has been taught by various different faculties, she tried to follow that and see where she's standing right now. Next could be you. Now, you must have given the subject-wise test, the
Yeah,
weekly
yeah,
test.
yeah.
How was your experience with them?
Starting and all, I used to get very low. I was getting only 60 out of 100, but my score was like only 60 out of 100. Only in few subjects when OB came, and only few subjects I was able to score above 80. But then I felt so low. Why am I not getting above 60? My score was only 60. Before the exam itself, I felt I'll get only 60 now. It was so bad for me. I was like, no, I should put more effort, I thought. And then after two revisions, I was able to score 70, 75. That time I felt okay, but then still I was scared because the exam passing rate is really low. So I was really scared. But then I did, as you told, three revisions in this 6 months is enough. So I tried to do all the three revisions. Pakka, I was able to just go through the notes.
So again, two very important things she said. One, in the initial phases of the preparation, the score was not that good, but still she persisted. And when she could revise the things twice, the score became better. And finally, when she gave the exam, she was able to complete the revision three times, which is, I think, more than sufficient, and she passed the exam. So, guys, never feel low, okay? In the initial phase, there might be a situation that the exam results are not good, but eventually, if you keep on trying, the results will be good. You must have attended the image
Yeah,
based
image
discussions
sessions,
and the chanting
clinical,
sessions and
yeah.
the CCDs
Yes,
and the
yes.
revision videos. How much were they helpful?
For me, in the GenPath was my first subject I completed. So after like 5 months only, I took GenPath. For that time, I felt everything was new. I was like so scared. I didn't know what to do. But then I thought, okay, let me see one revision video and then get my mind clear. Then we can study on our own. So my second revision was literally your revision videos. Then for the third revision, I went to my notes. I did it on my own. So all the revision videos I saw and the test discussion videos also were really helpful. Like for the clinical cases and all, how to crack the clinical case. First, we have to read the last line of the question, then go to the first. So for image based also, everything was helpful. And I was able to actually literally hear the faculty's voice when I was writing my exam, FMG exam.
The final exam that you
Yeah,
did.
yeah. I was like,
And how was your experience of the exam paper? I mean, how did you feel?
it was kind of all together. It was easy, it was difficult, then again easy. Like it was mixed only, medium only. But then I just followed in that question paper also. I followed your advice how to crack one question in time. For 1 minute only one question we have to do. So I was just following how to read the question, how to crack the question, and how to read my options also, how to eliminate the options also. I was able to do that only because of
So, guys, I mean, see, at every step, when you're taking baby steps towards your success, even till the last, you have to, really remember what has been told to you. And if you work really hard, success will definitely be yours as it is hers right now. From the entire family of Mist, we would just a token of appreciation from our side,
Thank you,
please
sir.
accept
Thank
it.
you so
And
much,
may God
sir.
bless you and pass on our regards to your family too.
Sure, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.